Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Towing the Technician's channel, and today we're just going to discuss some future videos as well as what's going on, and I'm also going to throw a clip or two in here as well of tools I found. So as you guys might have noticed, ever since I moved here to Indiana, I've been really busy with working and traveling. If you guys don't know, I work for the Napa Funny Car team. I travel a lot. We go all over the United States. So it's really hard for me to produce as many videos as I was before. Also, before I moved from El Paso, I had my dad come and pick up all my tools, all my garage stuff. I have my Camaro here, but that's about it. No tools to really do anything with as far as projects on the car. And I haven't really been able to do any tool comparisons because my tools aren't here, obviously. So as you guys might have noticed, I've been doing a lot of product reviews of products that are sent to me by different companies, and I'm going to continue to do these just until my father and I can set up a good time frame for him to come visit and I can get the garage set up. So please stick around for that. I promise within the next month or two my tools will be here, but just focusing on work and taking care of the family right now. But besides that, some of the future videos coming up will be a unboxing and overview of this new Launch Tech USA product. It is the X431 Torque. It is a new 2018 product, and not many people have it right now. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing of that, just quickly going over what's all included. And then I will do multiple videos of the different things it can do and everything that it covers, because it's obviously going to be way more in depth than the little videos I've done on small scanners and code readers and stuff. Then I also have a new product from Tac Life. I have another product from New Air and many other products coming. I'm trying to keep all the products kind of garage related or work related, so bear with me if they kind of get off topic, but I try to keep everything fairly related to the automotive field for the most part. So thank you guys so much for your support. Also, stay tuned. I will be announcing the winner of my 7,000 sub gift giveaway here pretty soon. We're coming up on 7,500 subs, if we're not already past this by the time I actually release this video. So as you guys may or may not know, I was going to college and got out of the Army and all that good stuff in El Paso, Texas, and recently moved to Indiana with my wife for a new job opportunity, like I stated before. I'm originally from the Midwest. I'm from Nebraska, and so a lot of the things here, the weather, all that good stuff is, you know, stuff I'm fairly familiar with. But there's a store here that I had never heard of, and it's called Meijer, and it's kind of like a Walmart. I don't know, some of you guys might have been to a Meijer before. It's M-E-I-J-E-R, I believe it is. Well, you guys might have noticed back in the day, probably close to a year ago now, I did a lot of reviews and unboxing and tool videos on Tekton tools. Great product for the most part, for a great price on a majority of their stuff. Well, it wasn't very often I saw their stuff in stores. Well, I found out that Meijer actually carries quite a bit of Meijer's or Tekton tools. So here's a little clip of that. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna drop the sound because it's just a bunch of garbage. But just a quick overview of everything that I saw at Meijer's, and I hope you guys enjoy. So those are the Tekton tools that I found at Meijer's. Eventually I will go back and do a real slow video and go over everything that they got so you can see all the prices and all of that. I might actually buy some more stuff, who knows? It's a hard habit to get away from. But like I said, this video is just kind of an update as to why I haven't been doing tool comparisons, more of product unboxing and overviews and stuff like that. Also, what's going on at work. Right now, I'm getting ready to go to Vegas next week, but by the time this video is up, it'll probably be back from Vegas already, but who knows. But I have a lot of new products sent to me that I will be doing unboxings and reviews on. I just want to let you guys know. I also want to thank you guys so much for supporting me, for being around 7,500 subs now. We're going to continue to do gift giveaways. Obviously, they're going to be getting better and better because products sent to me and stuff. I want to make sure that you guys are getting products like this as well. Especially if there's something I like. Also know that everything's going to be honest, so if it's not a good product, I'm not going to do a gift giveaway. I'm not going to send it to anybody, because if I don't like it, why am I going to send it to somebody else to be disappointed? But anyways, that's some of the products that I'll be doing videos on. I hope you guys enjoyed the little clip and understand what's going on. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys next time.